Greetings, everybody. How are you doing today? It is a pleasant day today, the 16th of February 2022. And good news, it seems Russia starts to withdraw, have said to withdraw some of its troops from the Ukrainian border. And this was witnessed and announced yesterday. And then as a result, we noticed that the crude oil dropped heavily. Right, let me put the chart of crude oil for us to see. This was what we had yesterday on crude oil. If you remember, we talked about crude oil with respect to the daily time frame, and then we mentioned what you can go and watch the previous video for yesterday. We mentioned this rising wedge that we had over here, and we said we should be expecting a drop from here. And then voila, this is what we had, a drop from here back to this level. The question now is, will it break out, retest, and then drop some more? Let's wait and see what it has to offer, right? So this is for the crude oil. And then looking at the majors and gold, if you look at the majors and gold, for the levels that we mentioned yesterday, like the 1.1280 and 1.1370 areas of interest, you notice that price is still within this range. Price is still within this area. For me, this is more or less a dead zone. We would like to see either a breakout to the upside, retest here, push higher, or a breakout to the downside. So actually a breakout to the downside we were expecting yesterday, but it had other plans and went to retest the highs of the range. So let's see which of these two we're going to have today, right? And then looking quickly at the remaining majors, this is cable. You can see sideways action here between those levels. The Aussie 2, the same thing. Kiwi, Swiss, the Japanese yen against the dollar, the loonie, and of course gold. If you look at gold, we had a big drop on gold yesterday, and that came out after this fake out to the upside, and then the next thing we had was a big massive drop, and then also a fake out to the downside of this lows, right, which happens to be support. Now, if you are, I repeat this, if you are a breakout trader, the best thing for you to do is to wait for a proper pullback and then price action before entering any instrument. Let that be a golden rule for you. Most people, they just do what? They just wait for the breakout to occur and then they jump in. Not even waiting for a pullback, not even waiting for proper price action to go in that direction. The price action you're waiting for is as a form of confirmation, right? So these are things that we all need to be aware of. The greenback, the US dollar, the US index is yet to pick its directional bias for this week. And let's see how things go. As you can see, all the majors have been sideways. Later today, in a few minutes actually, we have the CPI for pounds. So expect some volatility. That's coming up by 7 p.m. UK time, which is, 7 a.m. rather, 7 a.m. UK time. And then we have it as 8 a.m. West African time. So please expect volatility for the pound pairs. We also have the CPI for card and then retail sales for the US dollar by 1:30 p.m. UK time. And also finally, today being Wednesday, we have the FOMC by 7 p.m. UK time. Expect volatility across board for pounds, for card, and then also for the US dollar today. So you all need to be careful. I repeat, you all need to be careful as we're going to have fresh volatility coming to the market. So this is just a quick one just to tell you what is happening. So far, so good. Nothing clean to enter, no proper trade yet, as the price seems to be ranging in most of these instruments over here for the majors and also for gold as well. Gold did about 300 plus after the fake out to the upside, did about 320 plus pips to the downside. Let's see what it has to offer. Will it continue to drop some more to the next areas of support over here? Untested support, by the way. Who knows? Only time will tell. Thank you. If the video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Every day we'll just be giving you a brief update on what is happening, and if there's any opportunity, then we can take advantage of it. Do enjoy the rest of the day and ensure to trade safely. Don't forget to use proper risk management, and please use stop loss today. It is very, very important with all the high impact news that we have coming out later today. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye and God bless.